To send an ACH payment through QuickBooks, start by setting up your ACH payment system. First, you need to enable ACH payments in your QuickBooks account. Go to the Edit menu, then click on Preferences, and select the Company Preferences tab. In the Company Preferences window, click on the Payments tab and select the Bank Transfer option. Next, you will need to set up your bank account information in QuickBooks. Go to the Banking menu and click on Set up Bank Feed. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account to QuickBooks. Once your bank account is connected, you can set up your ACH payment account. To set up your ACH payment account, go to the Workers menu, then click on Manage Workers, and select the Pay Workers tab. In the Pay Workers window, click on the Payment Methods tab and select the Bank Transfer option. Follow the prompts to enter your ACH payment account information. Now that your ACH payment system is set up, you can send an ACH payment. Go to the Banking menu and click on Write Checks. In the Write Checks window, select the bank account you want to use for the ACH payment. Enter the payment date, check number, and payment amount. In the Pay to the Order of field, enter the name of the recipient. In the Address field, enter the address of the recipient. In the Memo field, enter a description of the payment. To send the payment via ACH, select the Electronic Payment option. Follow the prompts to enter the recipient's bank account information. Review the payment information to ensure it is accurate. Finally, click the Save and Close button to save the payment. The ACH payment will be sent to the recipient's bank account. It is essential to verify the recipient's bank account information before sending the payment to avoid any errors or delays. By following these steps, you can easily send an ACH payment through QuickBooks. This method is convenient, efficient, and secure, and it can help you manage your business finances more effectively.